Alright guys, welcome to today's video. We're going to talk about the trades I took on Dare, and we're going to talk in detail about it, so stay tuned. Alright guys, first of all, if you are new to the channel, I do daily recaps on my $1,000 day trading account. I also do updates on the Robinhood account portfolio, so if you are interested, subscribe to the channel. And also for people that are subscribed and they comment and like the videos, I really appreciate it. So let's go to today's trade. We had Dare in the morning. It had a good catalyst in the morning, so it caught my attention. Also made a pretty good move on their pre-market. The range was pretty good. We got a news catalyst. The float, we got 8.72. that is share of the float outstanding, which is 10.98, and we had a lot of people watching it, so with the potential to move to the upside. So it made a pretty good move, and I marked out the levels that I was watching on the daily and also on the pre-market. So we have a 290 area, which was going to be the pre-market highs and going to be using as a support level, as I always do, a resistance level. Okay, so I usually don't trade in the first 15 minutes, just to identify the behavior of the stock, the range, and how the momentum is going. It's shifting, you know. So sorry about that. So right out of the gate, you know, it didn't push through. It kind of made a dip over here, 264, and then eventually it broke the pre-market highs and made a 325. So that was good, but I don't trade in the first 15 minutes, so I just watched it. I retested the 290 level area, and then it went back up. So now it caught my attention. You know, now I was thinking about getting in because this area was kind of holding. You know, so I decided to get in when it kind of tested it again for the second time, and then it held and then it bounced back. So I got in. I got filled up around like 3, I think it was like 302 something, had that area. So was hoping for it to test again and make new highs because it was kind of holding, but that did not happen. So we started to just grind down a little bit, and the range started to become, you know, tight, you know, and then the volume, eventually there were volume coming in, but it started to decrease. So I kind of had to cut it right over here when I saw the print on the price of the time and sales, and also on the level 2 it started to print the 280 290 area, 289 area. So I just started to just get off at the 290 area because it's kind of going down and the volume is kind of like disappearing, and the red. So I decided to just cut it. You know, luckily I cut it at the right time, and eventually it just, you know, sold off a lot. You know, I could have got caught over here. I wouldn't made a lot of damage because I was only trading with 100 shares, but still, you know, to cut loss when the plan doesn't work, you just have to just cut losses quickly. So that is the one lesson I learned, to just follow the plan and just get out of the trade, because I could have easily just waited for it, be patient with it, even though the risk area, which is the 290 mark, was broken over here when it printed the 286. So that could have happened. So I decided to just go out, which is the right move to do. I took a loss, which is a manageable loss within the risk parameter that I use in strategy. We have another stock that are moving, like, which is ATOS. They're moving pretty good, but I'm just gonna stay disciplined and just close out for the day. This was the potential trade out that I was watching, and I took the loss, and just gonna walk off. So let me know in the comment sections what you guys traded, and also if you want to check out yesterday's video, I posted about the Robinhood update. Check that video out, and also I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video. And if you have any questions or suggestions or any kind of ideas, let me know in the comment section. I really appreciate it. Hope you have a great day.